There are certain things in life that we must understand if we want to become truly spiritual in our nature. In this video, we'll explore 7 unique experiences that often resonate with highly spiritual individuals. These insights will offer a glimpse into the world of those who have embarked on a journey of self-discovery and connection to the universe. And for those that wish to further their spiritual journey, these signs can also bring awareness on how you can progress further yourself. Let's get into it. True spiritual growth requires discipline. It's about taming the wild horse of the mind and directing it towards higher purposes. This self-mastery isn't about restriction, but about liberation. By cultivating discipline, we free ourselves from impulsive actions and create space for conscious choices. The path to freedom, self-control, is the key to unlocking our inner potential. It's the ability to resist distractions and focus on what truly matters. By exercising self-control, we pave the way for spiritual growth and inner peace. Imagine a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble, revealing a masterpiece within. This is the work of discipline, shaping our character into a work of art. In a world often fixated on material wealth and possessions, the act of giving holds a deeply spiritual meaning. True giving is not just about exchanging physical items, it's about offering something far more valuable: our time, energy, love, and support. This selfless act goes beyond mere transactions, reflecting a profound sense of gratitude, compassion, and interconnectedness with others. When we give, we do not merely pass along possessions, we share a piece of ourselves, enriching both our lives and the lives of those around us. Giving transcends the ordinary. It becomes a spiritual practice that nurtures both the giver and the receiver. By sharing our blessings, we express our gratitude for what we have and deepen our sense of purpose. This practice fosters empathy and kindness, connecting us to others in meaningful ways. Whether it's a simple act of lending a hand, offering a heartfelt word of encouragement, or providing support during tough times, each act of giving enhances our spirit and brings us closer to a shared sense of humanity. The act of giving is a pathway to spiritual fulfillment and a reflection of our deepest values. Imagine a candle lighting another candle. The first candle's flame does not diminish, instead it spreads more light. Similarly, when we give, we do not deplete our own resources. Instead, we multiply the joy and positivity in the world. Picture a time when you gave selflessly to someone in need. Recall the warmth and connection that moment brought into your life. Feel the joy and fulfillment that came from that act of generosity, understanding that in giving, we create a ripple effect of light and love that extends far beyond ourselves. Highly spiritual individuals often experience a profound sense of connection to something greater than themselves. This connection extends beyond our physical world, tapping into a cosmic consciousness that unites all beings. Spiritual traditions often describe a universal energy that flows through everything, connecting us in unseen ways. This interconnectedness invites us to view ourselves as integral parts of a vast cosmic tapestry. By recognizing our place within this grand design, we cultivate a sense of belonging and purpose that transcends our individual existence. Imagine the universe as a boundless ocean, with each person representing a unique wave. Even though each wave seems distinct, it is part of the same immense body of water. Close your eyes and picture the endless flow of waves, all connected and moving together. This visualization helps us grasp the unity and tranquility that comes from recognizing our place within this grand cosmic tapestry. Spiritual brokenness is often seen as a sign of failure or weakness, but in a spiritual sense, it's actually a chance for transformation and growth. Embracing these flaws isn't about giving up, but about seizing an opportunity for deep personal and spiritual development. The journey to healing starts with honestly acknowledging our brokenness. Recognizing and accepting our flaws is crucial. This acceptance isn't about resigning ourselves to imperfections, but about understanding that they are part of our human experience and essential to our growth. By accepting our flaws, we open ourselves to transformation. Our brokenness can lead to significant personal and spiritual growth as we work through and move beyond our difficulties. This process can profoundly change our perspective, helping us grow stronger and wiser. Spiritual growth often involves trusting a higher power or universal forces that guide us toward wholeness. By surrendering to this divine guidance, we allow ourselves to be reconstructed in a more complete and harmonious way. This spiritual reconstruction can bring a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. Consider the Japanese art of kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold. Instead of hiding the cracks, this art highlights them, making the piece even more beautiful and valuable. Visualize your own wounds and flaws being filled with light and love, like the gold in kintsugi. See yourself transforming into a unique and resilient being, with every crack and imperfection becoming part of your beautiful and valuable self. This visualization helps understand that our spiritual journey, with all its ups and downs, makes us truly extraordinary. Dreams are more than just random images and feelings from our subconscious. They are gateways to higher realms of wisdom and understanding. For those who are spiritually attuned, dreams can become powerful tools for growth, healing, and receiving guidance from beyond our everyday experience. They open doors to realms where we can connect with higher forces, gain deep insights, and find answers to our spiritual questions. By paying close attention to our dreams, we can uncover profound wisdom and guidance. Each dream holds unique messages that help us understand ourselves better and navigate our spiritual path more clearly. Dreams can also serve as a channel for communication with higher beings or spiritual guides. These messages might come in the form of symbols, narratives, or feelings, providing us with valuable insights and support. Moreover, dreams offer a special space where emotional and spiritual healing can take place. Through dreams, we may address unresolved issues, gain closure, and experience transformative healing. To tap into the power of your dreams, start by keeping a dream journal. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up, capturing the details and feelings you remember. Reflect on these entries to uncover hidden meanings and messages. Visualize yourself entering a dream realm where you can meet and communicate with spiritual guides or higher beings. Imagine this space as a place of calm and wisdom where you can seek answers and gain new perspectives. Embrace the guidance and insights that this dream world offers, allowing them to enrich your spiritual journey. Spiritual awakening is not a distant destination, but an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. It requires embracing the present moment and recognizing our connection to all that is. Living fully in the moment without being trapped by past or future concerns is a key aspect. Understanding that we are inherently linked to the universe and each other deepens this experience. Embracing life's imperfections and challenges as part of the journey adds another layer of acceptance and growth. Imagine walking through a forest, fully present and aware of your surroundings. This mindfulness practice helps you connect deeply with nature and yourself, illustrating the essence of spiritual awakening. By being present, you see the intricate details of the forest, feel the connection to the earth, and accept the natural imperfections around you. This connectedness brings peace and a sense of unity, highlighting the ongoing nature of spiritual awakening. Joy stands as a beacon of spiritual truth, transcending fleeting emotions to reveal a profound inner peace. This peace emerges when we recognize our divine essence and our deep connection to the universe. Far from being just a transient feeling, joy is a spiritual guide that leads us to understand our true selves and fosters a connection with the divine. As we embark on the journey of self-discovery, joy becomes our guide, illuminating the path to understanding who we really are. It also nurtures a deep bond with the divine and the universe, showing us that spreading joy is not merely an act, but a fundamental spiritual mission. When we share joy, we become custodians of a light that can brighten the lives of those around us, creating a ripple effect of positivity and love. Consider a moment of pure happiness, such as helping someone in need or witnessing a breathtaking sunset. These instances of joy connect us with our higher selves and the divine, underscoring the ultimate purpose of spreading joy. To fully grasp this, visualize a time when you felt unadulterated joy. Feel the warmth and light it brought into your life. Now imagine sharing that joy with others, spreading light and love like stardust, and leaving a trail of happiness wherever you go. As we wrap up, remember that these spiritual secrets aren't just ideas to ponder, they're practices to embrace. By integrating true giving, cosmic connections, and spiritual acceptance into your life, you open yourself to a richer, more connected existence. Each insight is a step towards understanding and living your spiritual truth. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let the light within guide you to profound and transformative experiences. Thank you for joining our growing community. Embrace your spiritual journey with an open heart and mind and share these insights with others. Let's spread light and joy in the world one step at a time. Until next time.